Hi everyone! A few months ago, actually I think it was early this year, I came across this set of colored pencils by Crayola called Colors of the World. And even though I know that Crayola colored pencils aren't the best quality for artists, because they were only a few bucks, I think $3 or $4, I thought I'd give them a shot because I thought it was pretty cool that they had a set of skin tones. So I bought them, I got home, and took out my homemade sketchbook that I made with Stonehenge paper, just for colored pencils. I did the swatches, and I was happily surprised to see the big range of colors. They're basically divided into 3 categories: the almond, the golden, and the rose. And they're all named with like very light, light, medium light, light medium, dark, this kind of names. The only thing that I was not happy about is that there was no black or white and no yellow or red or green or blue for the eyes and the hair. So it's really just skin tones, and I guess you can use the brown for hair. But if you want to make a portrait of somebody with very dark hair, black hair, you can't really do that. Regardless, I just wanted to try them and have fun. But I get busy working on too many projects, and I put that aside and I forgot about it. Until recently, when I've been wanting to draw portraits with colored pencils a bit more because I hadn't done that in a while. And so I remembered that set, and I thought it would be fun to finally try them out. So I went on Pinterest and found a pretty portrait that I had pinned a long time ago and started sketching. Sketching with these pencils is very nice. Just doing light marks is fine and easy, and I found the colors for the face that I was drawing very easily. What was harder, however, was to build the darkness of the hair. My model had black hair, so I used the darkest brown that I had, and it was actually hard to make it really stand out. Crayola pencils aren't very pigmented, and they're very waxy, so layering them is quite difficult. I built my layers on top of each other very, very lightly, and I was able to blend them a little bit, but I don't think they're made for that. They're really just made for kids to color drawings and coloring books, not to draw layers upon layers and make fine art. That said, it was a fun challenge, and even though I get frustrated quite often, I still like the result, although I think I made the nose a little too long. But that's alright, it was a fun sketch to do, but I'm probably not going to use those pencils again, so I'm going to donate them. I still think the colors are very pretty, and for this portrait I had to cheat and use a blue from another set. So if you want to try them, go ahead, they are fun, they are pretty colors, but don't have very high expectations. Thank you all for stopping by, I hope you liked this little video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're feeling generous and you would like to support this channel, please click on the thanks button that's right next to the share button. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.